What is cracking lacking, boys? It's been a long time. I'm still alive. I'm real. I'm not a robot. Yeah, a lot of things have changed, guys. But what today's video is about is buyers be aware of these $100 kits. This is actually a second generation Husky kit. And then my brother bought me this one because I needed this one for the vehicle I'm in now. If anybody could tell by the size of the tire. Well, this is out of the van. This one stays in the other vehicle. So, I'm not going to compare these two kits together. What I want to do, guys, is I want you guys to be aware what is the difference between the two popular brands out there, which is basically Husky and Walmart's. Okay, those are your most two famous ones, because you can you find a Home Depot on every street corner, you can find a Walmart's on every street corner. So basically, Walmart's had a better latch. That's all I'm going to say about the box. But here's where they come the most different. You guys can see something really different, don't you guys? Yeah, there's this harder than that. Something with one hand. Okay. Don't worry about all the extra. Okay. Don't worry about what's on this side. This is what I put in here. See, a couple. It's like metric and standard Allen keys in this. 1/4-inch drive extensions and 3/8 in your ratchet. Okay. Husky, metric and standard on Allen keys, but they also give you the long ones and a hole through of sockets. You guys see something? Now, I'm not saying the newer Huskies are set up like this. I have no clue. I haven't bought the new ones. This set's probably 8 years old. Now, you guys say, well, where's here's some. So, Walmart's is from 19 down to... Okay, 19 to 8. It doesn't skip a set. Husky from 4 to 14 on the 1/4-inch. 12, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 on the 3/8 drive. Yeah. Okay, so that's one of the biggest difference, guys. I just noticed that. On the 3/8 drive, it starts at 12, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. On 3/8 drive, hang on, Nope, that 10's a 1/4 inch. Hold on, boys. Huh. So on 3/8 is 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13. So what? 8. Oh, this don't go to 19. So win for Walmart's. I'm just like, this is kind of interesting. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 on 1/4 inch. And 4 to 14 on 1/4 inch on the Husky side. Okay. Never noticed it. Okay. Cool. Alright. That's something interesting, boys. But do you guys also see something here that I haven't mentioned yet? Yeah, Walmart does not carry wrenches. So here's, okay, those would be your 1/2 inch drive up here. Yeah, so 1/2 inch would be 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. That's all they have in 1/2 inch. Well, and you got standard metric. Alright, looks like 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22 on 1/2 inch drive on Walmart's. Yeah. Well, you get 20, 21, 22 on Walmart's, and it stops at 19 on Home Depot. Stops at 13, you get 10 and 12, which, you know, those two I really wouldn't care, because where you want to starting your 1/2 inch drive is about 18 millimeter anyways. 17, 18, right around there. But no metric deep wells in 1/2 inch drive at all. Same as her, yeah, same as Home Depot's brand. So we start out at 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, skip 16 and 17, goes to 18 and 19 on the 3/8 drive. See, that's all 1/4 inch. We'll get to 1/4 inch later. Okay, it starts at 6, 7, 8. Yep. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, and 22 in 3/8 drive. So they carry 22 and 3/8 drive and 22 and 1/2 inch drive. 12 point. I mean, actually, I would go with the 6 point over the 12 point any day of the week, but as here, there, say. So on the 3. Oh, I did have a 5.5 millimeter. I was looking for that 5.5. I knew my kit had a 5.5. So on a 1/4 inch drive, you go 4, 5, 5.5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm missing my 10 for some reason. 11, 12, 13, 14. And on 3/8 drive, goes 4, 5, 5.5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 13. And stopped at 4. No 14. Huh. Hey, I was looking for that 5.5. And then Deep wells goes 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. So it doesn't go down. And then in deep well here is 4, 5, no 5.5. Goes 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. We're not talking about standards anymore because that's least of anybody's problems nowadays. So as far as goes bits, yeah, you guys see those. So basically 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 on those. Goes 5, 5.5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So you got a more complete set here. See, they give you more bits in this kit than they did in this kit. It's just like, see, they give you a 20, T20, T30, 40, 45, 50, and looks like 55. Yes, T55. Okay. That's what a T is. Let's see, what do they give me in a T in this kit? And another thing with this kit, it's hard to snap bits in and out of this kit. So T27, T30, T40, T45, T50, T55. So T20, yeah, this one goes down lower. But, hang on, I just seen this on the side. T8, T10, T15, T20. T25, T27, and then goes up to T27, the bigger one, and then T30, T40. This one don't go down that low. Might have it into here, if you want to go that low. Might be in these. So, Allen keys, metric and standard, so goes basically 3, 4, 5, 5.5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Let's see, what goes, no metric Allen keys here, they're all standard. But they give you these, fill-up bits, and like I said, more over here. So yeah, it's a trade-off. They give you less bits here for a lot better socket set. Give you more bits over here and give you a lot less stuff. So basically what they did is probably got rid of all the wrenches and put a whole tray of socket bits in it. If that makes any sense, guys. Another thing, oh, you guys are wondering, okay, this is what they have in bits. Here's what they have in bits here. Alright, so yeah. Standard ratchet, 1/2 inch, 3/8, and a 1/4 inch drive. 1/2 inch, 3/8, 1/4. A 3/8, 6 inch extension, 3/8, 6 inch extension. Which one is this one? This is a little 3 inch, 1/4 inch extension, and 3/8, oops, a 3/8, 1/4 inch, 3/8, 3/8, 6 inch, 3/8, a 6 inch 1/4, 6 inch 1/4, and a 3 inch 1/4, and a 3 inch 1/2 inch, and a 3/8, 3 inch. So extensions are about the same. Give you 2 spark plug sockets over here. Nothing on this kit. That's why I added my own. These are Stanley's. And I also got my long reach. My wrenches are in my other box. We'll talk about the other box later. Let's see. They give you a 3/8 to 1/4 inch adapter. And they also give you a bit adapter. this kit doesn't carry that. Not as far as I know. I'll check doors one more time. No. Nope. So no adapters. Another thing, it's got a screwdriver handle and screwdriver handle. Let's see what else does it carry. This has a wobble extension or U-joint, and yeah, another bit adapter for your impact. What can I say? What can I say? I think that's everything, guys. To be honest, I think that's everything. Hold on, boys. Hey, you know I said to skip 16, 17? Well, I found 16, 17 right there. So it is a complete set on the side. They just threw it over there. I didn't even notice it. Oh, and another thing I threw in is a spark plug tester. I know, or a gap tester. So, is this kit worth $100 compared to this kit? Depends on what you're looking at. There's things that this kit don't have that this kit has. Basically wrenches. You need a set of good wrenches. As far as it goes, 1/2-inch deep wells, this kit has none. At all. I don't even think this kit had one. No, this kit didn't even have a 1/2-inch deep wells. So, yeah. On these, I just picked up because I like how they fit. So far, testing, they're good. Oh no, it's got other things in here too. Yeah. Basically, this kit does not have any 1/2-inch deep wells. It goes to 19. 3/8, and that's it. It doesn't go any higher than 19. So yeah, it's up to you guys. I said buyers be aware. I mean, you guys can obviously see Walmart's crap actually does work, guys. I mean, I have to figure out how to pound that out of that 13 millimeter. I will in the future. But yeah, it's up to you guys. I mean, you guys are aware what this kit has in it now for $100, and what you get $100 at Home Depot. Am I going to say that the nowadays kit that you get at Home Depot is going to be the exact same as mine? No, because they change them every year. I mean, the kits are changing. My dad's kit has more sockets and a lot less bits than I do. I'm getting more bits and less sockets than he does. So it's a trade-off, guys. I mean, honestly, let me grab the 3/8. I like this kit. I don't know. I mean, it's a trade-off, guys. I mean, the only thing I like between the Husky is the thinner profile heads. A lot thinner than Walmart's. Walmart's the old school heads. I mean, the ratchets are about the same. So, I don't know, guys. And it's up to you. I just brought this up to you guys' attention because I noticed that Walmart's doesn't carry any wrenches. And what on the wrenches, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 15. It skipped to 14. So it's not a complete wrench, but it get you in the ballpark. You're gonna need a bigger wrench set than that. I guess it's a good thing you traded off for that. And what's that drawer full of these Torx and Allens? I mean, more modern cars, that's basically what you're going towards. But these older ones, they don't really have Torx and Allens that much. So, and as far as these bits, I mean, you guys see, they're just bits. They don't change. I mean, I don't know. Gives you guys something to think about then. So, I am alive, guys. I'm not going anywhere anytime soon. Just some things that came up. I mean, and another thing that I noticed, the height's different. I mean, those two are... What the heck's going on now? Why won't this shut? There it is. I mean, the height's difference is massively different. The lid takes up most of the room. Well, what really saves weight is the depth. This is a lot deeper than this one. But on that cases, I don't know, they work for what they are. So I guess I'm going to catch you guys later then. And as far as more updated videos, I don't know yet. We're still working on that. It's still a work in progress, boys. Alright? I'll catch you guys later then. Peace out, have fun. And do research before you buy these $100 kits. I don't know what the Craftsman one is yet. I haven't bought it, but a lot of people don't have a Lowe's on every street corner like Home Depot and Walmart, so I'm just going to compare these two. Alright, I'll catch you guys later then. Peace out. Have fun. Stay dirty.